Hey everyone, thanks for joining me. I was given these beans by my neighbor last year. I planted half of them. They didn't come up this year. I tried this method, putting them in a baggie on a wet paper towel. So I was really impressed how well it worked. I will try this method again when I want to sprout something and have more confidence in knowing that the seeds will come up, especially if I've had the seeds for a while. Pretty easy to plant, just put your roots down, the plant part of it up, and cover them with soil, and then soak that soil really good. A lot of people I notice will wet the soil first. You really don't have to, but that's your preference, whichever way you want to do it. After the plant gets growing really well, I will start giving it weakened down fertilizer until I know the plant will be okay taking the fertilizer, that it's not going to harm them any, because sometimes you can fertilize too soon and it can kill them, but weakened down fertilizer should be okay. And then I will increase the fertilizer as I see the plants growing. But this is a really easy method to do. Like I said, it's the first time I've ever tried it. I was really impressed with it. You give it a try, get out there and grow something. Your food tastes 100 times better if it comes out of your garden instead of out of them old grocery stores. Thank you for joining me. We'll see you in the next video. Y'all have a great day.